Welcome back, everyone. I'm Shortcut Shari, and it's another Tip Tuesday. Today's tip is about using Copilot with Microsoft Forms. This is something I used 3 times in the last week because it saves me so much time and it would be very tedious. So here's my example. I needed to create a registration form for a dinner. Now, I could just speak to Copilot, but I'm using the microphone to record this session. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in my prompt here in Copilot. So here's my prompt. Hi, Copilot. Can you please help me create a form to help people register for a speaker dinner? We need basic contact information and questions about any dietary restrictions. Please provide what items you think they should fill out on the form. Let's go ahead and send that. And you can see it created the form information for me so that I can go to Forms and create it myself. But here's the cool thing. I don't have to do that anymore. This used to be kind of tedious. Now I want to go create that in Microsoft Forms using Copilot. So I'm going to have Copilot create a prompt for me to use for Copilot in Microsoft Forms to create the form for me. Let's go ahead and put that prompt in. Now there is a limitation of 2,000 characters in the prompt, so I'm going to let Copilot know that and make sure that it creates the prompt accordingly. And here's my completed prompt. I need to create this in Microsoft Forms. Can you please create the prompt that will help me create the form? The prompt cannot exceed 2,000 characters. Can you adjust the prompt to meet this requirement? Let's go ahead and send it. And look what it did. All right, let's go ahead and copy this. Now I'm going to go over to Microsoft Forms and click the new form option and then paste this in. Let's go ahead and send that. Now, obviously, I just took what it gave me because I just wanted to show you how cool this works. But now I can go and adjust this. I can make things required if I need to. I can add additional questions if I want to. So this is awesome. Copilot created the form for me, and now I just have to put the finishing touches on it. That's my tip for this week. I hope you found it helpful. I'll be back next week with another great tip. In the meantime, check out these great events that we have coming up. And until next time, I'm Shortcut Shari, and it's my job to make your job easier.